start of basic belly exercise for women over 50. Sit in a Vajrasana position for about a minute. Exhale, inhale and exhale deeply through your nose. First is your extension plank or RKC plank. First you start with the normal plank and hold it for 30 seconds. Each set you have to do 3 sets, 30, 30, 30 seconds. Then slowly as you progress, you can shift your legs slowly behind, making the body in the cantilever position, suck your stomach in, make it tight, and your glutes should also be tight. And also this position you have to hold for 30 seconds in 3 sets each, that is 30, 30, 30 seconds. This is a very excellent exercise for the total core area. The next exercise is knee slide crunches. This is bit different from the normal crunches. In normal crunches, if you are sloppy, you may hurt your neck and back muscles. So here, lift your head and shoulders from the floor, put both your hands on the thigh, and you have to slide it up towards your knee slowly. When you are sliding your palm up towards your knee, you have to breathe out through your mouth. Inhalation should always be through nose and exhalation from mouth. This you have to also do 3 sets, but 10 reps per set. Always remember, between sets you can take 10 to 15 seconds of rest, and between exercises you can take 20 seconds rest. Very good exercise for upper abs. This is very good exercise for upper abs. Do it very gently, very slowly, don't rush. And always make sure your chin is touching your chest. The next exercise is the foot touch and flutter. Also you have to do 3 sets of 10 repetition each set. Put your leg in 90-90 position, that is your thigh should be 90 degree to your waist and your feet below your knees should be 90 degree from your thigh. First start tapping the floor nearer to your glutes, then slowly extend your legs further. When you are bringing your leg towards your abdomen, you should breathe out. And here also similarly you have to make sure that your head and shoulder is not touching the floor to maintain the contraction in the abs. That contraction in the muscle, abdominal muscle, is very must, for loosening of fat and tightening of the muscles. This also you have to do 3 sets of 10 reps each. Do it very gently, don't rush, very gently. Now next is the invisible ball twist. This is for the basic core or the waistline. You have to sit up. Imagine you are holding a big rubber ball, and once you have to rotate towards your left and then towards your right. When you are rotating towards your left, breathe out, breathe in, and then again when you are going the opposite side, breathe out from your mouth. Always inhalation from mouth, inhalation from nose, and exhalation from mouth. This also you have to do 3 sets, 10 reps per set. Excellent exercise for reducing fat from your waistline. Do it very gently you have to do it. Maintain that motion, that momentum has to be, have to maintain that momentum, Sometimes you are doing fast, sometimes slow, don't do it like that. Maintain that smooth momentum. The next is the superwoman. This is basically a core and lower back exercise, and also upper back. This is the back and core both, you can say, total core area. See, core is not only the front side, core is the midsection, that is comprising of your abdomen muscles and your back muscles. And this is a very good exercise for your flexibility also of your spine. When you are going up, exhale. This also you have to do 3 sets, 10 reps per set. Very gently you do it. Don't force yourself. Very smoothly do it. Maintain that smooth momentum. We have completed the 5 exercises for your abdomen or the core area. Now we will be doing this cat pose, or it is basically in yoga posture, which is called Marjari Asana. This is basically a cool down exercise for your abdomen or the core area and the midsection, and very good exercise for the flexibility of the backbone, which is a very vital part, for any woman, especially when you are elderly. Any woman who are more than 50, it is very much necessary, this exercise. See, when you are moving your spine head up, you should breathe in, and then when you are bringing your head down, touching your chest, then you have to breathe out. This you have to do only one rep, 10 to 15, one set, 10 to 15 rep. So total there are 5 core exercises for core or abdomen or belly, and 1 exercises for cool down, that is this cat pose. Very gently, very smoothly you have to do it. Breathe in and then breathe out. When you are bending your inwards, you have to breathe out. Now again you sit in the Vajrasana. Vajrasana is very much necessary, in the start and the end of the exercises, because it strengthens your back, leg, pelvic muscles and stretches your knees, ankles and hips. Sit for 2-3 minutes, relax.